go to the is closed and synchronize. So without further ado, let's begin with the title. So for the final project, I have decided to do augmented reality board using hand-gesture interaction on health. Let's look through the problem background. So at Rio, Tokyo and Tezbetsky state in 2019, board game does have a certain amount of loyal players, but the raising of the video games has significantly decreased the number of players in board games. Comparing with video games, board game is in the more restricted situation as the pitches tokens are fixed. When player a digital game, the player can interact with the extra virtual object. It is easier to add extra feature when digitalize the board game. To digitalize the board game, AR technology can be used. So AR directly enhance the displaying features by superimposing the virtual object on the physical world. To view the virtual object, certain hardware is needed. Head-mounted display is one of the choice visualize the virtual elements. So hand-mounted display can be categorized into two groups, which are heavy with the high performance and lightweight with the low performance. However, according to the Muller and Chilefit in 2010, viewing hand-mounted displays is uncomfortable. So on the other hand, the head-mounted display is expensive and the cost is not yet ready for the mass production for market. The typical digital board games installed in the supermarket is the smartphone now is 2D, although it allows the user to play the game. The user experience is quite low. The engagement to the game is totally different to play the board game in reality. Recently, people have been using augmented reality in producing board games. However, most of the current AR application exists in the market focused on the displaying data or elements overlaid on the real world but do not care about the user experience. The AR games available are interacting by using touch screens of the handheld device. So in a certain way, the AR game and the mobile game application is the same, especially in terms of the interaction type. Since the size of the objects in AR is discreted by the real world, they might be too small to click via touch screen. Moreover, touching the screens of the device may cause the shaking of camera, thus reduces the accuracy of the AR tracking. Objectives of the project are to display how hand gesture can be used in playing AR board game, to develop a board game using AR and interact with hand gesture, to evaluate hand gesture interaction on AR board game. The scopes of the project are Android-based scopes. Android-based application on handheld device, Android smartphone with minimum 7.0 Android versions, and single player for a plain surface. So project requirement is software basically choose Unity and Unreal. Hardware is a laptop Intel Core i5 2.20 gigahertz 8GB DDR3 RAM, and technology is augmented reality. I hope that's all my project title and problems, and thanks a lot to my supervisor Prof. Dr. Muhammad Shafri bin Muhammad Rahim, and I hope I'll contribute through this project very well, and I'll try to implement and I'll use my all creativity to import or to bring a better result to this project. And that's all for me. And that's all for my project proposal. Thanks to Dr. Prof, and that's all for me. I hope that